Have you ever wondered just how many people are using TradingView? It's a question that pops up a lot, especially if you're a trader yourself, looking to connect with a community or gauge the platform's overall influence. TradingView has become a household name in the world of financial charting and analysis, but understanding the sheer scale of its user base really puts its impact into perspective. For many years, TradingView has been building a reputation as a go-to platform for traders and investors, from beginners just starting their journey to seasoned professionals managing large portfolios. Its intuitive interface, powerful charting tools, and expansive range of indicators have made it incredibly popular. But beyond the features, it's the community aspect that truly sets it apart. The ability to share ideas, scripts, and analyses with millions of other users creates a dynamic and engaging environment that fosters learning and collaboration. So, let's get to the numbers. TradingView proudly states on its own platform that it's used by over 100 million traders and investors worldwide. Yes, you heard that right, over 100 million. This staggering figure encompasses individuals across the globe who rely on TradingView to spot opportunities across various financial markets, from stocks and cryptocurrencies to forex and commodities. This isn't just a static number, it reflects a vibrant, active community. While specific daily or monthly active user numbers can fluctuate, general web traffic data provides a clear picture of high engagement. For instance, recent data indicates that TradingView receives over 200 million monthly visits. The average session duration is around 16 to 20 minutes, with a remarkably low bounce rate, suggesting that users aren't just dropping by. They're deeply engaged and actively utilizing the platform's capabilities. What does this massive user base mean for you? For starters, it signifies a highly liquid and active social network. When you share an idea or ask a question, you're tapping into a pool of millions of other traders who might offer insights, feedback, or even counter-arguments, enriching your own analysis. The sheer volume of users also contributes to the vast library of community-created indicators and strategies, known as PineScript. With over 10 million custom scripts and ideas shared, there's an endless well of resources to explore and adapt to your own trading style. Furthermore, TradingView's global reach is impressive. While the United States and India are significant contributors to its desktop traffic, the platform caters to an international audience, supporting over 20 languages. This global presence means you're connecting with traders from diverse backgrounds and market perspectives, which can be invaluable for understanding global market sentiment and identifying unique opportunities. The trust placed in TradingView by such a vast number of users is also a testament to its reliability and continuous innovation. The platform isn't just about charts, it's about providing a comprehensive ecosystem where traders can learn, share, and execute their strategies. The company's commitment to objectivity, focusing on low-cost subscriptions and ads rather than profiting from your trades, further solidifies its position as a trusted partner for investors. In essence, TradingView isn't just a charting platform, it's a global phenomenon that has revolutionized how traders interact with markets and each other. The incredible number of users speaks volumes about its effectiveness and its role as a central hub for the trading community. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.